Hello again. Okay, so once you finished your first assignment, where you read about the different animals, okay, you're supposed to pick one and read about an animal. Now we're going to take a virtual tour and you're going to watch some animals at the San Diego Zoo. Okay, so when you click on your link in Google Classroom, it will bring you here. If you scroll down, there will be a bunch of different animals that you can watch. Okay? Um, So any of these right here. Okay, so let's say I want to watch the elephants. Okay, I can click on that one. It will bring up a little video of the elephant cam. Where is it? Okay, and once it gets up, it will have you can then watch the elephants at the zoo. Okay, you don't need to watch it for a long time, but you're gonna have to write me a paragraph, 5 sentences, complete sentences about what you watched. Okay, you can tell me maybe what the animal that you picked, what are they doing? Did you learn something new while you were watching? Did you find something interesting? um, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so after you get done watching for maybe like 5 minutes watching these animals that you pick, you're gonna go back to your Google Classroom and write me a paragraph about what you learned or what you saw when you were watching your video. Let me know if you have any questions.